Little Gems Montessori.
Hello everyone, today we will learn about pictures of alphabet Q. The sound of alphabet Q is qua qua qua. Q says queen, Q says wheel, Q says queen, and Q says question. And now start rhymes. The duck in the pond quacks quack quack quack, quack quack quack, quack quack quack. The duck in the pond quacks quack quack quack, all around the pond. Hello everyone, today we will learn about pictures of alphabet R. The sound of alphabet R is R. R. R says rose, R says rainbow, R says rabbit, and R says ring. And now start rhymes. See my puppy red the red, see my puppy red the red, what he goes so hard. Hello everyone, today we will learn about pictures of alphabet S. The sound of alphabet S is S. S says star, S says sun, S says swan, and S says snake. And now start rhymes. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. Hello everyone, today we will learn about pictures of alphabet T. The sound of alphabet T is T, T, T. T says tree, T says target, T says tomato, and T says top. And now start rhymes. When I was a tennis game, when I was a tennis game, my heart goes back and forth.
For more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.